Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a homemade squishy update number 1. Sorry if you hear barking, it's from the next door neighbor's dog. So I only made 3 homemade squishies. My dog's right there. So yeah, I'm using like this back of the cabinet. And so yeah, let's get started. So first I have this gourmet bun. Really squishy. Made it out of baseball sports squishy at Michael's for $1. There's like an air bubble right there, like a couple of spots, but I don't really care. And I got scribbles for the chocolate, but then chocolate drizzle, but then the green part I used acrylic paint. So yeah. Next, I have the squishy cake. I don't know if you see that. Pretty squishy. Yep, sorry about that. This one was my first ever squishy cake, so I'm really happy about that. Then lastly, got this like really tiny cake or marshmallow kind of thing, and it has sprinkles, green and brown sprinkles. I don't know if you guys can see that. The focus. It's squishy. And so yeah, hope you guys really enjoyed my homemade squishy update. And share, comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.